Shannon-Weaver model of communication. One of the most famous model of communication. This was developed by Warren Weaver and Claude Shannon in 1948. When Claude Shannon wrote an article entitled A Mathematical Theory of Communication in Bell System-Technical Journal with Warren Weaver. The two developed this mathematical communication theory to describe how communication occurs between a sender and the receiver. Shannon was an American mathematician, whereas Weaver was a scientist. The mathematical theory came later to be known as Shannon-Weaver model or mother of all models. Concepts in Shannon-Weaver model. Sender. They are the person or object who has the information to begin with. Encoder. The encoder is the machine or person that converts the idea into signals that can be sent from the sender to the receiver. Channel. The channel of communication is the infrastructure that gets information from the sender and transmitter to the decoder and receiver. Decoder. The decoder decodes or interprets a message that has been encoded by a source. Receiver. The receiver is the one who receives the message. This is the step where the person finally gets the message or what's left of it after accounting for noise. Noise. Noise is anything that interferes with the communication process between a speaker and an audience. There are two types of noise, the external noise and the internal noise. How does the model work? An example of this is a telephone call between a boss and an employee, where the sender here is the boss and the telephone is the encoder, which converts the message into signals that passes through the channel, which is the telephone cable. During this process, the messages may be distracted or affected by noise such as environmental noises. The message will be decoded and will be received by the receiver, which is the employee. After all this process, the receiver is able to give feedback, making the process of communication back from the start, making a cycle of communication. This is Agnes Benjaik Emerson, and this is my presentation.
Created using Powtoon.